So आजकल 1 लाख पर मंथ और 1 करोड़ पर ईयर चैलेंजेस की दुनिया चल रही है. This has created a newfound wave of online hustlers and इसमें कुछ बुराई नहीं है, although there are negatives to this side as well. But this is a path that a lot of people start to take. If you have little to no experience in the online world and in particular in the online service business world, कि clients कैसे लाए जाते हैं, you can't realistically scale to 1 lakh per month in a month, right? So stop setting these unrealistic goals. थोड़ा दिमाग में ये बात डालो कि ये नहीं होने वाला है. These are response based goals. तुम क्या गारंटी ले सकते हो कि तुम्हें जो लोग फॉलो करते हैं वो तुम्हें पैसा देंगे या फिर तुम्हें फॉलो करने के लिए रेडी होंगे. अब तुम लोग इस टाइप के चैलेंजेस और गोल सेट तो कर लेते हो, राइट? लाइक 10 lakh in 30 days और 100K followers in 100 days. थोड़ा दिमाग में इस बात को डालो, when you have no experience in a field, ऐसे गोल्स अचीव नहीं होते इतने कम टाइम में. तुम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते कि एक इंसान तुम्हें फॉलो करेगा या नहीं, या फिर वो तुम्हें पैसे देगा या नहीं. इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन अबाउट द इनपुट. तुम अगर अच्छा कंटेंट बनाओगे, लोग फॉलो करेंगे. तुम अपनी सर्विस और ऑफर से अच्छे डिलीवरेबल्स दोगे तो लोग तुम्हें पैसा भी देंगे, राइट? सो नाउ यू आर अ कंप्लीट बिगिनर, राइट? कुछ नहीं आता. इवन इफ यू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ क्लू, तुम स्टिल खुद को ग्राउंड जीरो पे मानो. एज अ न्यू ऑनलाइन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, to get to a sustainable level, you need 3 things. You need an efficient system to get clients, and the next 2, correct mindset and a degree of risk. Now, all of this is related to input. हम कुछ भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहे हैं जो हमको आउटपुट आ रहा है, right? It's all about putting the best input. Alright, let's begin. So, first of all, you don't really need fancy systems. You just need a skeleton of the essentials. You don't need a big ass team. You don't need a huge triple monitor setup or the newest iPhone. You just need a laptop and a phone. That's it. If you're seeing this, you have some social media accounts, so no discussions there. And at this point, we'll do everything that's needed to get a steady flow of clients. Whether it takes us 1 month or it takes us 6 months, it's always worth it. Now, since you're a beginner, it's always worth it that you get yourself in the trenches. You learn every step of the way, so you can build good teams. And this is a topic for the future. Now, to set up your entire structure as an online service-based business, you need a simple service delivery system, you need an offer, you need a lead channel, you need a prospecting system, you need a sales process, you need communication channels and contracts. That's it. और ये सब कुछ बहुत simple है. I'll solve everything in this one video itself, right? Let's begin with service delivery system. This basically includes project management. You know, you can use Notion, Kanban board or Trello. If it's a done with you service, तुम client को access दे दो. If it's a done for you, then तुम्हारी choice है. You can use the basic board database in Notion, and you can add deadline dates, drive links and stuff, and you can just share it with your client from the top right. After project management, we have asset exchange. ये basically deliverables के exchange होते हैं और asset के exchange होते हैं. You buy a company email, you get a Google Drive and you create shared drives, right? Shared drive में क्या होता है कि storage जो भी है वो तुम्हारा जाता है. Even if a client uploads the assets on the Google Drive, it's your storage that's getting consumed, right? So you always have ownership of what's actually on your drive. So asset exchange में we'll have Google Drive and we'll have Docs, we'll have spreadsheet. So now we have project management, we have asset exchange. Now बचता क्या है? We need communication. तो communication के लिए you use Slack, you use Telegram, you use Instagram DMs वगैरह. तुम अगर कहीं भी client से connected हो, and sometimes WhatsApp too. I would rather not prefer WhatsApp in the long term because WhatsApp like एक personal कम्युनिकेशन चैनल है. तुम नहीं चाहोगे कि काम की बातें और घर की बातें एक जगह पे हो रही है, राइट? सो ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू हैव ऑल ऑफ द क्लाइंट कम्युनिकेशन इन जस्ट वन प्लेटफॉर्म. आई प्रेफर स्लैक. यू फाइंड योर सेल्फ अगर तुम्हें और कुछ भी चाहिए तो. देयर आर अ लॉट मोर इंट्रिकेसीज इन द एंटायर सर्विस डिलीवरी सिस्टम. नाउ वी डोंट एक्चुअली वांट टू गो इन द रैबिट होल ऑफ क्रिएटिंग सिस्टम एंड डूइंग fuck all in terms of client acquisition, right? This is a very big mistake that everyone makes. And watch out for the second video. I'll explain more on this. So after we have a service delivery system, now अब हम करें क्या उसका? We need an offer. So offer is like half an elevator pitch. Prospect must feel stupid not to buy your service. अब होता क्या है कि convenience offers, there are 2 types of offers. You create performance offers and you create convenience offers. Convenience offers में you are giving them services where you can't really measure the metrics. Performance offers में तुम metrics को measure कर सकते हो. For example, you create only website graphics as compared to you create a sales funnel on a website, तो तुम उस पे numbers को track कर सकते हो. These are the differences. जब भी कोई client तुम्हारी service खरीदता है, they judge it from the offer itself because clients rarely care what you are doing in the trenches. They just want the end product, which is usually the result. एंड रिजल्ट इज यूजली अ फाइनेंशियल ROI और अ स्टेटस ROI. अगर हम किसी को कंटेंट क्रिएशन दे रहे हैं तो इट्स अ स्टेटस ROI. उनके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, उन्हें एंगेजमेंट मिल रही है. बट इसका डाउन साइड एक ये है कि स्टेटस ROI इज नॉट रियली सरफेस लेवल. स्टेटस बहुत डीपर लेवल पे बढ़ता है एंड डीपर लेवल पे स्टेटस बढ़ाने के लिए फर्स्टली द क्लाइंट हैज टू एक्सेप्ट कि उनका स्टेटस नहीं है, which they usually don't prefer. You increase their financial ROI and that will increase their status, ठीक है? And this makes basically closing a bit easier. What you do is you create your offer around a financial ROI or a status ROI. You increase someone's status and make them money, they'll pay you good. उससे तुम्हें idea लग जाएगा. But I'll give you some examples right now. Let's say if your offer is I'll give you a 9x return on your ad spend or you don't pay. Second one is I'll make these keyframe animations guaranteed to increase your engagement. Basically, you have to make it a no-brainer. You take more risk, you give refund guarantees in your offers, you give result guarantees in your offer, you give performance incentives. All in all, तुम्हारा as a beginner तुम्हारे offer पे ध्यान नहीं होना चाहिए कि you make it a no-brainer for the client. Client को लगे कि यार मेरा तो win-win ही है इसमें, and that's what we want. तुम भी accountable हो जाओगे and you get those results basically. Next one is lead channel. Lead channel basically is the place where your ideal client is hanging out. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, if you can access it, emails, YouTube, anything. You think where your ideal client will be hanging out, like I said, and where it will be the easiest for you to reach out to them or for you to connect with a team member of your ideal client. Now, इंस्टा पे मत सोचो कि तुम्हें C-level executives के टच में आना ईजी होगा, या फिर instead of thinking that you'll work on every platform and you'll just hit the spot randomly, it doesn't work like that. You have to think about where your ideal client would like to increase their business. तुम्हारे ideal client कहाँ पे prefer करेगा खुद की presence होने के लिए, and that's basically where you find them. Now you can actually find hundreds of videos on Instagram and YouTube about lead generation through these platforms. तुम अगर Insta का lead generation जानना चाहते हो, you probably get everything that you need from a free YouTube video that you would actually pay for a course, right? And उसमें से उसके बाद में क्या होता है, you just pick one platform, and the best part about picking one platform is one platform alone can get you to multiple six figures USD. हम unrealistic expectation नहीं रखना चाहते. It's more than doable to get to USD six figures in a year अगर तुम एक platform पे टिक जाओ. But the industry standard is that most of the online service business, like more than 90%, they die out within the first 18 months. And if you can just stick to one platform and master one platform completely, like six figures USD will be like light work for you. अब तुम्हें ये तो मालूम पड़ गया कि तुम्हारे clients कहाँ hang out कर रहे हैं. Now comes the part where you start prospecting. Basically, prospecting is creating a database of the people that you would like to work with. ठीक है? तो you need a centralized system for it. Prospecting is how you find leads. There is one non-negotiable. तुम यहाँ पे जितना भी system सीखोगे इस वीडियो में, just take one takeaway. You prospect daily. You find a set number of prospects that you would like to work with on a daily basis. Because if you skip one day right now, you will suffer a month in the future. And if you want to learn more about this, you can read Fanatical Prospecting Grid book. How do you actually find your leads, right? For example, मैं Insta का example देता हूँ. I do it through Instagram. तो तुम Instagram पे profile ढूंढ सकते हो. You can go through comments. You can go through suggested profiles, tags, anything. For example, if you want emails, either you hunt manually, तुम YouTube पे जाओ, तुम उनकी website खोलो, website पे contact में जाके तुम्हें email मिल जाएगा. Or you use paid softwares like Hunter.io or Snop.io. I'll give you my simple lead gen spreadsheet where you can put all of the information for your clients. You can manage what stage they are in, and it will help you prospect daily, and it will help you see your outreach numbers very effectively. So you create a spreadsheet like this. I'll share the link in the bio and you can just duplicate it for yourself, right? So now let's move on to the most important part. Sales is the most integral part as an online service business, ठीक है? काफ़ी लोग सर्विस पे इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान दे देते हैं एंड वो लोग सर्विस पे इतना काम करने लग जाते हैं कि वो भूल जाते हैं कि अगर खरीदने वाला ही कोई नहीं होगा तो किस काम की है तुम्हारी सर्विस. एंड दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक फ्रीलांसर्स मेक. या तो बस तुम सर्विस पे काम करते रहोगे ये सोच के कि भाई क्लाइंट ऊपर से आ जाएगा, या आजकल ये चैलेंज वीडियोस को तुम वीडियोस बनाने में लग जाओगे जहाँ पे योर मेन फोकस विल बिकम creating the video and not actually getting the clients. In an online business, the entire experience will only come from sales. Service हो भले ही से तुम्हारी कैसी भी. Average sales will take you out of the game within months. But above average service with great sales will give you enough opportunities that help you improve services. So how do you start? You start with outreach. You do DMs, you do in-mails, you apply for gigs on Upwork. Although I have not done it, I do DMs mainly, so I'll give you my DM structure. And if you question my competence, here's what people say when I DM them. सबसे पहले इसके पीछे की thinking ये है, I learned this in Social Media Boss by Jason Capital. You message like a teenager, so you never send a paragraph, right? So you'll send 3 to 4 outreach messages at once. First one would be you adding value. So you compliment. You make a custom personalized message which is relevant to their profile, personality, anything. You tell them how good a video was, your thoughts on it, what's the best thing about their personality or their profile, anything. You just have a very customized compliment. Second चीज ये ध्यान रखनी है, you never point out negatives. अब तुम्हें कोई ये बोलेगा कि भाई तेरे में potential तो बहुत है, पर तू काम अच्छा नहीं करता है. दिल पे लगती है ना बात ये वाली. This is like लोगों को भी यही लगता है जब हम उन्हें मैसेज करते हैं. थर्ड वन इज यू गिव योर ऑफर इन द सेकेंड मैसेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गॉट X results for me or my clients and I can get you these in Y amount of time and here's the guarantee. ठीक है? So you frame this in whichever way you like and you offer like a lead magnet if you want as well. Now, there's a good chance that you probably won't get a reply to this message since you do not have a lot of proof of work. तो तुम्हारा सारा खेल होगा वॉल्यूम का. ठीक है? So you message 50 people every day. So that's like 1500 people a month. 1500 में से अगर 100 लोगों ने भी reply किया, which is very less than industry standard, you can at least convert 1 to 2 clients. ठीक है? It's all a numbers game. Then जब तुम्हारे पास एक बार reply आ जाए, you give your offer straight away. ज़्यादा report DMs में बनाना, it's not even like a very good short term strategy. ठीक है? You let them know your intention. ठीक है? और उसके बाद में तुम उन्हें बताओ कि you are there to give them some value. And वो कैसे होगा? You book a call with them. अब क्या होता है कि you'll book a call but you will have no clue about what to do. So let me lay out a simple call process for you. As a beginner, let's say your service is less than $750 to $1,000 a month. To close this type of deal, you only need one call or at max a second call. If you have a service which is above $1,000 or $2,500, you usually need 2 to 3 calls because it's comparatively more expensive and people need more clarity and more assurance from your end. So let's create a quick sales call note system for you and template is in the description. So first one is a discovery call. You get to know your prospect, you see situation, their goals, their roadblocks, you offer your solution and you tell them the price. ये framework के notes बना लेना and you just walk them through it. At the end of the call, do not give them the option to say no. Just tell them that, hey, let's book another call next week, and if you have any more questions, I would love to assist you through all of it. In the meantime, I'll send you more resources that will help you get results instantly even before getting on that call with me. The aim is that you give so much value to the prospect that it's a no-brainer for the prospect to work with you. पहले उन्होंने तुम्हें अगर मना कर दिया and you are like कि okay, that's all good, I would love to work with you sometime. ऐसा नहीं होता है यार काम. You have to be assertive and you have to be like, okay, do you have more questions regarding the pricing or do you have more questions to understand more about the actual service, right? So let's fix a time for next week. Are you free on Tuesday or Wednesday? ठीक है, call book करो. Now the thing is, you will fail. You will get ghosted after prospects agree to pay you. हर तरह की बकचोदी होगी. And you will get hard clients as well, जिनके साथ में तुम्हें अपनी साइड से मना करना पड़ेगा काम करने के लिए. And you will get amazing clients as well. हर तरह का ड्रामा होता है ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में. And it will keep on until you learn the lessons that's needed. So once you sign the client, अब पैसे ही चाहिए. You prefer bank transfer always. Do not use PayPal. You lose a lot of money. There are apps like Wise, Remitly, WorldRemit, where you can get paid within minutes. बस अपनी bank details और Swift code भेज दो clients को. If you have a business account, Stripe पे बनाओ अपना account and create a payment link. Contracts के लिए, let's go to ChatGPT and type this command. इसके बाद में you just edit the fields, use PandaDoc if you want digital signatures. If not, Google Doc में भेजो. Tell the client to upload a photo of their signature. You download it as a PDF and done. So this is the overall basic structure you need and nothing else. ठीक है? जो तुम्हें बाकी लोग SMM में बेच रहे हैं, they are selling you systems which look attractive, right? तुम्हें वो vision बेच रहे हैं, but वो intricacies क्या होती हैं, ठीक है? And what it's like basic level पे, जिसको कोई भी idea नहीं है, उसके लिए क्या होता है? They are not teaching you that. I can give you my entire system right now, but it's almost 100% guarantee that it won't work for you. there's a reason it's my system. ठीक है, this is a skeleton of my system. मैंने इसी पे build किया है, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to build on the system, get paying clients, and deliver a good service. So what do? You write it all down. You figure out how you will implement all of this for yourself. Shoot your questions in the comments and I'll answer every one of it. The second part of this blueprint will be out in a few days. So don't forget to subscribe. Take a picture of this video, abhi ke abhi lo, and upload this on Instagram stories. Tag me, give your feedback. Okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you like this. Bye.